Hi everybody, today I will be making stir-fried vegetable tofu. This is a vegan dish and I hope you guys like it. So we're going to start by cutting some green onion about 2 inch, and then for the stem you want to cut another half to that because it's a little bit thick. And then I cut half of a yellow onion. I want to slice it roughly thinly, and this one will give a nice flavor to the dish. Just cut it thinly like that. And then you just need a small carrot and then just shred that and then just set that aside. This will help make the dish colorful. Then you need a little bit of ginger and then shred the ginger as well too. And then set that aside. And then this is a purple cabbage. You only need a little bit, maybe like 1 cup. And you're going to shred that. And this is a light fried tofu already, so I'm using 2 pieces of that and cut it into cube. And then mince about 6 garlic. And then this is a sauce. I use soy sauce, and this is black sweet soy sauce, so no sugar needed. And then some sesame oil. This is fermented salted soybean. Then black pepper, then crushed pepper flake or chili flake, and then put a little bit salt, and then stir that and dissolve, and that's it's going to be your stir-fry sauce. And then in here I have oil, olive oil. You can use any oil you like. First, going to add in the shredded ginger, and then the shredded carrots. Just cook it for 1 minute. And then add in the minced garlic, and then give that a few stir for about maybe 1 minute as well. And then add in the tofu, and then toss that for about another 1 or 2 minutes. And then we're going to add half of the sauce and mix that very well. And so the sauce, will soak up into the tofu. And then after that, you're going to add in your purple cabbage, and then your sliced yellow onion, and then give that a few, quick stir fry, toss, not too long. And once that, all the seasoning been incorporated, then you're gonna add in your green onion, the bean sprout, and then add the rest of the stir fry sauce and give it a few toss, and that's it. This dish is pretty easy to make. It's very delicious and also colorful and healthy. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it and give the recipe a try. And if you do like the video, don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.